Markova and KRO Designs. I know a lot of us love to online shop, right? We go, ooh, that's so pretty. Love the colors, got the sparkle, right? But you get them home and you kind of freak out a little bit and you say, well, what am I going to do for them now? So today I'm going to show you some of the projects I've done using all of these Websters Pages products, but I'm going to show you finished products so you get a better idea of how to use them more effectively. So I'm going to go up here in this corner first and talk about enamel dots and leather stickers. Okay, enamel dots are one of those products that we tend to use as planner girls. We're like, well, only you would use them on cards, right? Well, I've used them in other instances. So on this front of this planner that I put together, you can add some textures and some layers with it. So I just put one single enamel dot and it just made the cover a little bit more textured. The other thing I've used with enamel dots and these leather stickers, and yeah, they're leather stickers. They're not made of real leather, but they have this leather texture to them. What I'm doing is currently storing my 2019 planner inserts in this traveler's notebook. And what I did was I put the 2019 leather stickers on the side. Then I've used this E6000 to permanently adhere this enamel dot. And your face is probably dropping right now. But you know what? This outside of this planner needed a little zhuzhing. And of course, I store my planner inserts in my planners on my shelf this way. So why not decorate this front top with it? Then I also, on the inside of this planner, I've also adhered them here permanently right there. This will pretty much look the same way for the remainder of the year. Moving on, I do add some of my correspondence, some of the wonderful cards that I've gotten from some friends, thank you notes, that sort of thing. That will also be housed in this 2019 planner. And so I've got 4 months in here so far, and I can't wait to keep adding to it. Quick Pick bundle is up on the Websters Pages website right now. You can get all 5 of these pieces for $5. So this next bundle is some alphabet stickers as well as some deco stickers. Now I know you're saying to me, well, we're planner girls, we already know how to use stickers. And yeah, you're totally right. But I want to think about them and using them in a different way. This also has some Traveler's Notebook inserts. So I love Traveler's Notebook inserts. As you know, standard size is my jam for every day, but I do carry these in my wallet. So right now I actually had to take this one out of my wallet, which is what I use here. I do carry my wallet with an insert that is completely for monthly sake, and then I also carry a blank one. So what I do is I usually just stick them here in my Traveler's Notebook, and then I can take notes on the fly real quick. So that is a wonderful way to utilize those pocket-sized notebooks. As far as stickers are concerned, yeah, we know how to use stickers in our everyday planner life, right, in our planners. But what about note-taking? I recently did some note-taking using some alpha stickers, and it's a great way to break up if you're doing some note-taking. I was doing some interview prep and I needed to divide out sections. Think about them as check mark boxes or thought boxes. And they also are great for dividing into sections or just adding a little bit of something to your page. So I don't always think about stickers as functional. Think about them as fun as well. I adore Webster's Pages stickers, especially the alphas. And you know, by just seeing my last little segment, I love Webster's Pages composition planners. There's a pack of 4 of them on the website right now. For 4, it's only $20. So each one of these is $5. And you're saying, well, I can just go to Walmart and pick one up for $1. Well, yes, of course you can. But can you find one that's gold foiled with daily page? I'll show you one that I have done previously at the early part of March. So it has a gratitude section. You can obviously circle the day of the week. But it's great to put your checklists down, a quick jot of what you did for nutrition, exercise, and your water, shopping list, calls, emails, and even a note section on the bottom. Super fun to break the monotony of sometimes needing some more space in our regular planners. So the next one is a dot grid. Now, as you have seen probably on my Instagram, I'm a big fan of the dot grid because you can do absolutely anything with it. including using it as my teacher planner. I have it broken down here every day of the week, and I use just some stickers and some scribbly writing, but it really works well trying to organize yourself in a work capacity as well. So the next one you can see is a weekly on one page. So you've got Monday through Sunday, and then you can obviously put the undated date on the top. And then the beginning part is a monthly spread that starts on a Monday, which is extremely rare to find something pre-printed with a Monday start. I've been using mine in a different format. This is a traveler's notebook size. This is a standard size, so you can kind of see the comparison of the size difference. And I use my weekly for meal planning. So I've got my breakfast and dinner, and then I use the monthly in the same insert to map out the entire month of food. So the awesome part, again, is starts on a Monday, and in my brain for meal planning, it always starts on Monday. So it's a perfect fit. The last notebook is obviously plain. There's so many different capacities you could use for plain, including memory keeping, note taking, or writing down to-do lists. Okay guys, thank you so much for taking the time to see all of these different bundles you can use with Websters Pages. Don't forget to head on over to their website to see the $5 bundle, the $10 bundle, the $10 bundle, and obviously the $20 bundle with the composition notebooks, which is an absolute steal. All right, guys, thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you guys learned something about using things in a non-traditional way.